Hey, you. Welcome to day 2 of Jumpstart with Jesus. And today's teaching is about walking by faith and not by sight. What exactly does that mean? Well, I'm going to tell you about a little story in the book of Matthew, Matthew chapter 14, verses 29 through 31. Make sure you look it up and read it. This story is about Jesus and his disciples. They're out on the water in a boat, and a storm comes up, a squall. It's like raining and hail and lightning. And the disciples, all of the apostles, had fallen asleep, and they wake up and they're looking around for Jesus and they can't find him anywhere. And Peter looks up and he sees Jesus across the way. And he yells out to Jesus, "Jesus, help us! Help us." And Jesus says, come. And Peter's like, what do you mean? In his mind, he's thinking, what do you mean come? Like, I'm surrounded by a storm. We're in the water. What do you mean come? And Jesus says, come, like, keep your eye on me and come. So Peter starts to walk on the water. Jesus is already walking on the water, but Peter starts to walk on the water towards Jesus. He's keeping his eyes on Jesus and he's walking towards him. But all of a sudden, Peter panics and he gets scared and he starts looking around at everything and he starts to sink. But Jesus reaches out and picks him up. This is a story about our walk with Jesus and how when we're surrounded by the storms of life, when we take our eyes off the prize, which is Jesus, we lose our footing and we sink into the muck and the mire. And in order to really have a good, fruitful life, no matter what is going on around us, we have to keep our eyes on Jesus. So when they say walk by faith and not by sight, they're talking about the belief that you have in Jesus, that he is with you and that you are not alone. You are not alone when you have Jesus in your life. But life with Jesus is so much sweeter. It truly is. So that, my friends, is what it means when they say to walk by faith and not by sight. When you keep your eyes on the prize and you focus on Jesus, no matter what's going on around you, okay? Stay focused. Stay focused. All right? Guys, come back tomorrow for day 3 when we will focus on the golden rule. What's the golden rule? To do unto others as you would have them do unto you. So come back tomorrow and I will delve deeper into that topic. Bye now.